Welcome back to video 12.2. We're going to be doing our visual learning bridge. You can measure the length and height of an object in inches. Start measuring from the 0 mark on the ruler. See it on the end? 0 inches, 1, 2. To measure to the nearest inch, look for the halfway mark. See the halfway marks? If the object is longer than the halfway mark, use the greater number. So here's an eraser. The eraser is about 2 inches long because it passes the halfway mark. If the object is shorter than the halfway mark, use the smaller number. So here's the halfway mark right here, but it's smaller. So we're going to say it's about 1 inch long. The pine cone is about 1 inch long because it's smaller. Convince me. Use a ruler to measure what classroom objects are about 12 inches long. So here's a 12 inches right here on our ruler, and we're trying to figure out what things are about 12 inches long. Here's our math book, and it's about 12 inches long. So I'm going to put math book as one of our things that are 12 inches long. Math book. Another thing that is about 12 inches long is our Chromebook. We might have a binder at home. Another thing that could be 12 inches long is maybe, a note folder to keep your paper in. But those are some things that you might be able to find. If you have a ruler at home like this, maybe you'll be able to go around the house and find some things that are about 12 inches long, and you can write down a few things that are 12 inches long. All right, let's go to our guided practice. Estimate the height or length of each real object. Then use a ruler to measure the nearest inch. So height of a notepad is about 12 inches long. But when they measured it, it was 11 inches. So they said it was about 12 inches. But really, it's about 11 inches when you measure it. So this one says the length of a pencil case. How long do you think that is about? If I look at it, I have a pencil case here, and I'm thinking I'm going to look at that. It's not quite 12 inches long. I'm going to guesstimate maybe 10 inches. So I'm going to say my estimate is 10 inches long because it doesn't look quite like 12 inches. But then I'm going to use my ruler and I'm going to use it to measure. I'm going to start with the 0 on the end, and I'm going to measure all the way across. Oh, look at that. Mrs. Johnson, you are way off. That's not 10 inches. That's 8 inches. That is silly. Oh, my goodness. Mrs. Johnson, that is about 8 inches. So we were a little short on our estimation. But this is a fun activity to go around the house and do. I think that you should estimate your guesses and then do some estimation of household items and see how close you get to guessing how close the measurement is and seeing how real your measurement is with your ruler. Go around the house and try to guess how big something is and then measure it with your ruler and see if you're right or not. That's it for today. Do your independent practice and your problem solving on your own. Turn it into Google Classroom, and we will talk to you next time. Have a great day. Bye.